morning. Today's June 11th. I'm in a little town of Burlington, Massachusetts. Got my oil change this morning. It's a little after noon right now. Got my oil change, did some stuff. Got on the road. I'm headed north into Vermont and New Hampshire before I curl back down into New York. Got into Burlingame and I was looking for a place to eat. I found this little deli and I'm starving. But I went in and it's just a deli. They don't have any place to sit or anything. It's kind of a to-go place. So I'm gonna sit out here in the 95-degree heat and humidity and eat my corned beef sandwich and cannoli and Boston root beer. So I will be on the road shortly. I think I found the break place behind the little deli that I'm at where people come out and smoke, but at least it's a place to sit in the shade and eat my sandwich. Probably not the cleanest place in the world, but it's a place to sit. All right, laundry's done. I'm hitting the road to Binghamton. It's like a two and a half hour drive. I'm gonna forego toll-less roads and just bomb down there on the interstate and pay some tolls. Yesterday, I got my oil changed. I forgot to mention it, but I went to GBM in Arlington, Greater Boston Motorcycles. They did a great job. Alec, the mechanic, and then Frank, the service writer, they did a good job hooking me up. And when they got the oil changed and all that stuff done, they actually washed my bike for me, which is super cool. So I'm driving a clean bike again. So anyway, hitting the road, and I'll keep you posted. Good morning. Today's June 13th. I'm in Brattleford, Vermont, just across the Connecticut River from New Hampshire. I spent the night here last night, and now I'm doing laundry this morning. It was kind of interesting. You need a card, an in-house card to do laundry, but you need cash to buy the card, which I didn't have cash. Some random stranger gave me 20 bucks to do laundry. Luckily, there's a Walgreens across the street, so I walked over there and got 20 bucks, and he came back and I was able to pay him back. So anyway, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. I have a few more minutes for my laundry to dry, and then I'll be hitting the road. So I think I'm headed down to Binghamton, New York today. That's where my maternal family's from. So I'm gonna see if I can find the house they moved to California from. But it should be a nice day. It's not going to be as hot, and I'll keep you all posted. I'm in Hogback Mountain, Vermont. It's absolutely stunning up here. The sky, you can see it behind me, is crystal clear. The wildflowers are just crazy colorful. Absolutely beautiful. The last couple of days were really hot, and they were saying that the cold front was coming in behind the warm front, which it apparently did, because today's 75, perfect ride weather, absolutely beautiful. Anyway, keep you updated later.